Good morning, assalamu alaikum. Students, we have learned about algebraic fraction. Algebraic fraction is algebraic fraction. Fraction means the value which have both numerator and denominator, just like 4a plus 3 divided by 2b square plus 4c plus 9. Got it? This is numerator and this is called denominators, and in both numerator and denominator is consist of algebraic expression. That why this is called algebraic fraction. This is also algebraic expression and this is also algebraic expression. That's why this is called algebraic fraction. Okay, if in numerator and denominator both consist of algebraic expression, then this is called algebraic fraction. Today we have done question number 1. Today we have to start question 2. Question 2 is simplify each of the following. First part is exercise 6a. Question number 2. First part is xy plus 3y divided by 4x plus 12. Okay, now first you write solution, then you put equal sign. Okay, in numerator there is two terms, xy plus 3y. There are two terms, first term is xy and second term is 3y. Now we take common which value is same in both term. Okay, just like there is y and there is also y and y are same, that's why we take common y. Okay, we take common y because y is same in both term. Okay, when we take common y, what is the remaining value? X, we write x. Okay, y हमने common ले लिया, that's why we can't return here y. Got it? Plus 3 as it is, y कॉमन आ गया था, डेट्स वाई वी कांट रिटर्न हेयर. गॉट इट? ये वाई कॉमन आ गया था, डेट्स वाई वी कांट राइट हेयर, एंड 3 इज एज इट इज. ओके, नाउ we take common in denominator is 4. What is the remaining value? X plus 4 3 the 12, 4 3 the 12. Got it? Now x plus 3 and x plus 3 are same. Now these are cancelled to each other. What is the remaining value after cancellation? Y divided by 4. This is your answer. Any problem? It's too much easy. After this we have to start C part. C part is a square plus 2ab divided by 6a. First you write solution, then you put equal sign. Okay, a square mean a is 2 times a into a. Okay, a square mean a is 2 times a into a plus 2ab as it is divided by 6a. Now we take common the value which is same in both terms. There is two terms. Okay, this a and this is same. Now we take common a common. What is the remaining value in first term? A plus what is the remaining? 2b. Got it? Now in denominator 6a is as it is. This a and this a are cancelled to each other. What is the answer? A plus 2b divided by 6. This is your answer. Okay. Okay students, we have learned A and C part. Now we start A part. E part is m minus n whole square divided by m square minus mn. Okay, now we start E part. E part is m minus n whole square divided by m square minus mn. First you write solution, then you put equal sign. Got it? If there is 2 square, it's mean 2 is 2 times 2 into 2. Same, this is m minus n whole square, it's mean m minus n is 2 times m minus n into m minus n. divided by this is m square, its mean again m is 2 time, minus this mn is as it is. Now m minus n and m minus n is as it is. Now in denominator these m's are common because these are same in both term. M is common. What is the remaining value? M minus there is n. Got it? Now these m minus n and n minus n are same in both numerator and denominator. That's why these are cancelled to each other. What is the answer? M minus n divided by m. This is your answer. Okay. After this, question number 2, parts B, D, F is H work. After this, we have to start question number 3. Question number 3 is simplify each of the following. This is just like a question number 1 and 2. The first part is 2a plus b divided by 4a square minus b square. Got it? This is a separate square, a square minus b square. To solve this question, first I tell you about formula. A square minus b square, this is formula, is equal to a plus b and a minus b. This is the formula. Got it? These are the separate square, a square minus b square equal to, we write this value in 2 टाइम. फर्स्ट टाइम इज प्लस एंड सेकेंड टाइम इज माइनस. इन्हीं वैल्यूज़ को हम लोग 2 टाइम्स लिख देंगे जब फॉर्मूला ओपन करेंगे, एक दफ़ा प्लस के साथ एंड सेकेंड टाइम माइनस के साथ, a प्लस बी एंड a माइनस बी. गॉट इट? सेम 2a plus b as it is. Now 4 is also written as 2 square because 2 square equal to 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4. Okay, that's why 4 is 2 square and a square is as it is minus b square. Got it? 2a plus b divided by, these are squares. Okay, we also written here just like this. Okay, minus b square. Now we open this formula. Okay, just like a 2a plus b divided by, by the help of this formula we open these values just like a plus b and a minus b, and just like 2a plus b and 2a minus b. इसी वैल्यू जब हम स्क्वायर्स ओपन करेंगे, इसी वैल्यू को एक दफ़ा प्लस साइन के साथ लिख दिया और एक दफ़ा माइनस साइन के साथ लिख दिया. जैसे ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर था, इसी को हम लोग 2 टाइम लिख देंगे विदाउट स्क्वायर, एक दफ़ा प्लस साइन के साथ, एक दफ़ा एंड सेकेंड टाइम इज़ माइनस साइन के साथ. ओके, जस्ट लाइक सेम अगर सेपरेट स्क्वायर होगा, इन्हीं वैल्यूज़ को हम 2 टाइम लिख देंगे, फर्स्ट टाइम विथ प्लस साइन एंड सेकेंड टाइम इज़ माइनस साइन. Got it? Now 2a plus b and 2a plus b are same, these are cancelled. What are the remaining value in numerator? Nothing. That's why we put 1 and the denominator is 2a minus b. This is your answer. Got it?